Okay, it should be live, first of all. And you can't quite see me. Oh wow, the camera has latency, so much latency. Let me just try to do something about it. And yeah, you can't quite see me because it's partially broken. I mean, the camera is fine, it's light. It's just light. Brightness, contrast, I could play around with exposure a little. I can't because manual mode. But that's not helping much. Let's just wait for sun. I really need to get some light. Yes, it sucks. Let me just... Also wanted to change white balance temperature. Oh, it's not gonna work. Because OBS is broken. Okay, 4500. Okay. So yeah, we're trying out Stream Together. And as you can see, I'm in Firefox. What's this? No, actually... actually not, I should be clicking drop in because you're streaming. Something went wrong. Join. Okay, sure. Let's see how it goes. See, we start a virtual camera. Should also be, yeah, it should be camera. Yeah, as you can see, we have some new buttons. Hi, Nigel. As you can see, you want to drop in. It doesn't load. As you can see, we're using Firefox because in Chromium it doesn't quite work. Virtual camera doesn't quite work. Okay, guest star. Are you gonna load? Okay, here. Welcome back to Stream Together. Join the call. I can allow my microphone. I can turn on my camera with a dummy device. And yeah, it looks like Discord. Can chat, hear your call. Hear call now. Yes, I am capturing it. No.
Yeah, I can feel, I can see. Alright. I'm gonna copy the webcam link now.
A shared chat. Yeah, we have a shared chat now. Well, we should. Jax, you can enable shared chat. I suggest you do that.
Yeah. Manage. Okay, start sharing chart. Okay, alright.
You can join shared chat once you're live. I am live, excuse me.
Okay, I'm gonna add our camera to make this OBS. I'm gonna set up real quick on my Discord. That's it.
Yeah, I can actually. I can also copy the.
What is up, everybody? This is me, Jax. I'm learning Rust today with this big brain, Dima from Builders.
Yes, so much latency. You're still on starting zoom screen, or is that just latency? Performance might be terrible today.
I'm learning Rust today with this big brain, Dima from Builders. Yeah. I want to ask you one thing. How can I add your, media source, right?
Okay, here it is. Like I just did, should be. Okay, so yes, I can see your stream now. You just add a source. Oh my god, that's so slow.
How can I add your, media source, right? Video source? How can I capture your webcam in the
It's not video, it's not media source. Okay, look, open the Stream Together thingy.
No, I copied your link. The link of the webcam. How can I see it?
You've copied the link?
Can I capture your
Oh,
webcam?
there's a
Yeah.
lot of latency.
Did you
S-
check the device?
hmm, okay, so in the Twitch thingy, you click on three dots, you
I think
copy,
we should go with browser or something like that, right? Yeah, URL,
you
right?
copy the guest onslaught link and then add a browser source.
Yeah, I already added that.
It's
Okay,
just so
will you
much
see the
latency.
latency over here? Yeah. From both sides or just from my side?
Okay, the browser source. Now it should work. Okay, for me here doesn't quite work.
Your camera is completely black now.
Your camera is also completely black in my OBS as well. No, for me.
I don't know.
Uh,
Include my camera?
see, I have a copied browser source now. If I open it in the browser, at least to see,
Mm-hmm.
it is working. Why is it not working in OBS then? Okay, fresh. Yes, Twitch. Together browser source is completely black. Browser source acceleration.
Completely black. I don't know why it is.
So it's problem with video. Video stream doesn't quite work.
What should we do now?
What? I don't like using Firefox. Also, chat is slow. Share chat
Let me
tab.
copy my link. Let me check if it works on my system.
Hi, Davninia. Wow. It's a lot of work streaming together. Okay, so chat is shared. Chat is actually shared. And
I mean, if I copy my link, I can see my screen on my OBS.
that's interesting. I so I can copy your link, the guest slot one specifically, and if I paste it here, you can see the name tag, the label is here. It's just not the browser. It's not the video itself. I can actually open it in browser and open it here, and it's gonna show up. I don't like that it has owls in it. I hope it's fine. So yeah, I can see it in the browser.
Copy my link. It's working.
I can see it in my browser. You hear one bird actually, Davninia. It's on my side. Screen sharing access is disabled. Allow. Oh, yeah, I can do it. But okay, let me just. I'm gonna screen share.
Not quite working well.
Burps. Asterisk burps. Turn on the toggle to include your camera in browser source. Oh wait. Oh yeah. I mean that's.
At the very beginning, I was able to see your screen, but not now.
You can copy the whole browser source.
Let me open Visual Studio. Because I'm gonna learn
So
Rush to Die.
okay, so the browser source works, but it doesn't show the video itself. I guess this problem won't be fixed unless I reboot and add some, well, restart OBS at least. Yeah, it's an issue with NixOS. Well, with OBS plugins on NixOS. It's browser. Do I have browser source as a separate plugin actually? Files, system. No, it's probably. Come on! NixOS is a proper system. It's OBS issue. I guess plugins. If open packages.
At first, I was able to see a screen, but why not now?
Okay, so yeah, I don't have it as a plugin. So I guess it's in. Yeah, proper system to put into trash. The system you are suggesting is the proper one to put into trash. NixOS is the best one. It's the best tool for me at least. Manjaro is fine. Yeah, I used Manjaro. Manjaro was my first Linux distro I actually used. That's the reason I'm here right now. That's the reason I'm using Linux right now. And NixOS actually, I found out about NixOS because Kiwiman. Wow, this is broken. Copy the guest.1 link. Whip. What does whip mean? Okay, so what is this? Inspect. Let me see. To whip someone. Yeah, what's that? What does that mean? Oh, the div. Wow. Why is there so much things? So many things. I just wanna know what the camera is. They have a whip in there. I don't get define whip. This doesn't say anything at all to me. Shared home. I don't know, actually. Jax doesn't have channel points. Because Jax doesn't have affiliate, I think. Yeah, that's also a thing. Chat is shared, not channel points. By the way, we should be able to get stream together chat. Why do you have stream starting? Viewers shared? Well, not really. Like, so Jax has 2, I have, let me see. I have 1. Okay, so viewer count is not synced, at least. Well, actually, who knows? But the light is getting better. Finally, sun is going away. My camera. By the way, I can invite viewers here. We can invite viewers here. Don't share your browser source URL. Yeah, I know. We've tested it before. You wouldn't believe that. Nameplates, performance, browser sources. So they say do not share it. How do you hide video?
Interesting.
Doesn't quite work. I guess we'll have to give up on that. But we do have a microphone connected. That should be the right one. Oh my god, it lags so much all because Firefox. I don't like Firefox. By the way, can I close this window? Is it gonna close? Oh, it's not. Okay, we're good. No problem. On Brave. It didn't work in Brave, unfortunately. Share chat is on. I can leave share chat. Exclamations. Okay. Yay. Twitch, smart Twitch player. Jax, you're on starting stream screen.
Is it fixed?
Oh, what?
I mean,
Share chat start.
hey, what everybody, this Jax Bills here again on Twitch. But we're just figuring out, like, today I wanna, like, just do the stream with DMX to stream together.
No, it's not.
What?
Okay, I can see your stream now. So you have that. I mean, it doesn't quite work. It's actually 5.74 gigabytes. Okay, I guess we'll let me. Wow. Well, it kind of works. Let me just copy the guest star link. Okay. No, it's 5.74 total. Fast fetch. Here you go. GPU. Memory 5.74 gigabytes total. Actually, I think I tried to count it. I don't know. Okay, so if I bring video back, I guess without the camera in Twitch, guest star, it looks even better.
Oh yeah, I have to switch to basics. My fault.
Do I turn off my camera as well?
What?
I guess I can. It's at least gonna be showing up something, not a black screen.
I mean, it's showing up your profile photo with your username.
Yeah, now it does. Wow, there's so much latency.
Why? It's not from my side actually.
I mean, there's always enough latency. You can actually share the screen in here, so you can see it better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe actually, yeah, maybe that's actually can be true. I can turn it
Where
off.
should I share my screen here? Stream together.
Let me see if I disable the alternate player. Wait, focus on the wrong thing. Let's see if I disable alternate player, is it gonna be no latency? I mean, there are buffering settings. Simultaneous downloads, 3. Start playback. We set buffer size to 1. 1.5.
If any of you guys watching the stream, I'm just setting up everything up. Just wait some time, we'll figure it out how to set up. But okay, just
showing up on Jack's stream.
In the chat section, okay?
You mean like Jax has his own overlay, and the chat is shared, so we have a single chat. And my overlay is connected to the chat. Jax's overlay is connected to the chat. You can see Devni has a different color on my stream versus on Jax's stream. And
Is Devlin,
well, whoever,
you followed me?
whichever stream you open,
Devlin, yeah. Devlin, yeah, followed me?
so whichever, regardless of what stream you open, you have the same chat. Oh, that's hard. How can I? Oh wait, this way. Twitch 5 equals 0. Now, this should be less latency. Okay, now, how latent is that? Okay, there is a little bit of latency. What is weep? I still don't get it.
Interesting. So if I share I'm not sharing my camera. If I share my camera to you, so can you get
Don't.
that? I'm not sharing my camera.
No,
If I share my camera to you, okay, let me start my virtual camera actually. Now we got that.
it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Keep it disabled.
Why? Disabled what? The webcam?
Keep it disabled so that it shows your profile picture instead of a black square.
I mean, this is not working, right? I think if I copy my link, my own link, why it's showing on my stuff basically?
What is that?
I mean, if I copy my own
Oh
link of my
wow.
webcam and I paste it inside
Now I guess.
OBS, this works, right?
Problem is with OBS, browser source doesn't render video for some reason. I actually used it for DroidCam before. Anyway, so you can share your screen here. It probably will be less latency, but will probably take more CPU. I suggest you disable the webcam because
CPU is not the issue for me.
it's
I have
not gonna
choices, but
show it.
so should I share my screen in that stream to guest star session? Share my screen basically.
You can try. You have 0
So you should
points.
also share your screen here. I'm gonna turn my camera off. I'm gonna share my screen to you, okay?
Yeah. I also wanted to look up Twitch multiple games. You can hear him twice. Oh, yeah, this might be. Can I? Okay, first of all, sharing chat. Can I? I wish there was a better way to see the screen share. Better than this, at least. And it's not loading yet. I haven't loaded it. Games from stream to. I can't hear him either. Jax.
Can you hear me?
Okay, now I can. Hold on. Keep talking.
I was silent a little bit, but can you
Okay,
see my screen, Babla?
this thing is just. So your screen sharing, it's not loading. It's just not loading. Wait, it's
Okay.
white now. My loudspeaker.
Wait a bit.
Should I get headphones? I can actually get headphones. How do I hide the link? Hold on.
Why my screen is not shared? What's happening? Can you see my screen now?
Back the this thing is gone. Nope. So yeah, nothing.
I'm nervous. No, absolutely not.
Okay, I guess I can just
I'm not
watch your
nervous
stream.
about that.
I remember there was like a
My
Twitch
stream.
thing. You could do so that it's like once two you can so you could watch like multiple streams at the same time.
Yeah.
It's buffering on your side.
Nigel, I'm not nervous about Rust. I actually learned Rust before, but I'm gonna revise the stuff that I learned before, but I can't remember anything that I learned. I think there's a Rust book that you can follow to learn Rust. And today I'm gonna do that with Dima, alright? And you're gonna teach me something, right?
Actually, I suggest you try to do a project. Just Rust by example. So there are two Rust books.
Mm-hmm.
Rust by example and Rust book. I actually learned by Rust book, uh,
Mm-hmm.
the original one. This is the Rust book, and Rust by example is this thing.
Mm-hmm.
This is buffering here. It's never gonna load, I guess. There are more, but
My screen
I
sharing is still buffering.
you can disable table watch your stream. It's gonna be better, I guess.
I mean, you can watch my stream.
It is a latency, but I think it's fine. Latent. Multi-stream layout 3. Let's see. Don't like
What's
that I need
that?
to unfocus. Oh, it's just two things. Okay, so that's not the one I used, but sure. I wanna see how it works, how well it works. So yeah, you have two chats, but that doesn't really matter except channel points. Uh, layout 3, layouts. It's buffering. Oh, this is buffering as well. Layout 3. Okay, can I mute everything? Yeah, share chat. I mean, it works. Uh, Viewers Nigel, yeah, Nigel Davninia, you can use that. Approve. I'm still gonna be watching Jax's stream because I don't really need my screen at all.
Hey Dima, what is that thing? Multi-stream. The two screens together.
It's just streaming. It's just a way to watch two streamers at the same time. We have
Oh,
shared
for
chat,
the
it's not a
viewers,
big
right?
deal.
All right, Nigel and Delvinia, you can try that thing definitely. It's gonna work well. It's your choice.
Now get back to Rust. You need to choose a project. Do you have anything in
All right,
mind?
can you see my screen now?
Here it's pure white. Browser source preview.
No, I watching my stream.
My audio. Okay, be right back. I'm gonna grab headphones.
What? You don't understand me, bro? Okay. I restarting. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Basically, I'm gonna done grass. I'm gonna get everything here, all right? And then I'm gonna do what? Basically, this part not gonna exist. Why second to myself? Okay, some permissions, right? So I'm gonna open and I'm gonna basically. I'm quiet, really. Why you mean? I'm really quiet.
Should be better now. Oh my god. Yeah, Jax is always quiet. Oh my god, those headphones. Oh, come on. Uh, he also actually, like, we walked through the setup. He has same filters as me right now. Well, had default compressor gain after the suppression and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so I still can't see the
Is my stream okay? Wait a
the
minute.
screen share. Yeah, I don't think Bluetooth headphones are a good thing. The display brightness. Make it a little louder. You only have noise suppression here. Oh, so much latency. I still don't get
Can you hear me now?
anything. I can hear you for sure. I have headphones. Those headphones are kinda annoying.
All right.
I don't really
I
like
don't
them.
know. I'm gonna do Rust today, and I don't have any knowledge about Rust. These are all your. No problem. So I'm gonna create a new project. I create cargo. Use cargo, right?
Cargo new.
Cargo new. And what we use? Cargo. Tune project name. Let's go to basic first. The basic one. All right. So now basic stuff.
Where's she?
Of course, we're gonna have a source file like every programming language we have. Hello world. Okay, let's print hello
Oh my god, that's PowerShell.
the Ninja. Okay. When you compile this program
Washed out.
using the Rust compiler, you can directly use cargo run on it.
No, you don't. You never use Rust compiler.
Hello.
I suggest you never use Rust C.
But I like using Rust compiler. Okay. I'm gonna do everything we have. Okay. Doesn't matter. I think you should use cargo, right? Instead of directly compiling. I like demo stream more.
I
Alright,
mean,
that's not a problem for me. If you like demo stream, anyone stream, just go there and watch their streams.
I mean, I have a
I'm not funny,
microphone.
I know.
I bought this
But I don't
microphone
have that much
specifically for
function
streaming.
like that. I'm just trying to get there, and I'll figure that out.
Yeah, audio is a hard topic.
Let's start with let's start. Sorry, this is not.
Actually, I think I have Jackson. Oh, yeah, I have Jackson 200% just to hear him.
I'm gonna go with Rust book now. He
Uh,
has way better audio quality. In demo stream, that sounds like the key from Star Wars. Okay.
Cause I have 200 volume. Jax. I suggest you always use cargo when you have a cargo project. Like, just don't use Rust C. Cargo is not just a build system for Rust. Cargo is the standard build thing for Rust.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna follow the Rust book now.
I mean, Rust book is pretty long, and I think you followed it before. A different version Rust book. What's that?
We did installation.
Hold on.
We did like this thing.
Well, what's this book?
Alright. We did that.
This thing is literally in the official Rust book as a banner. Experiment. The goal of experiment to evaluate and improve the content of Rust book. Yeah, cookbook, something familiar. Cooking with Rust. Oh wow.
Like how labs at Brown University. Then improve the content of the Rust book to help people learn Rust more effectively. How does it work? The website has the same structure as the Rust book, but modified in two ways. Interactive quizzes are added in each section. These quizzes test help you test your understanding of Rust. The quizzes also help us determine which section needs improvement. Mm-hmm. For instance, okay, I got it. I got that.
Jax, can you
Understand
hear
how
me?
to think. Stop. What is 1 plus 1? Try
Jax,
clicking a wrong answer. 0. Incorrect. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this decided that try clicking a wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. We try to quiz. What is
Jax,
1 plus 1?
can you hear me?
Try
Oh, you
clicking wrong
can't.
answer.
Oh my god, I had microphone muted. Jax, can you hear me? Audio is probably
I can
gonna
hear you.
break now.
Alright. So what is this thing like? They're saying like try clicking wrong answer. What is
I
that?
mean, so you see how wrong answer works? What happens if you click wrong answer?
They
I
said
guess.
it's incorrect.
Yeah, droid cam. So Jax, I suggest you never use Rust-C. Always use cargo if you have a cargo project. Like you normally
Alright.
you only run Rust-C from within cargo, right? By writing build
Oh yeah,
scripts.
yeah, got it. It's like all of the frameworks. Like we have Vite, we have like NPM.
Don't compare
Kotlin
Rust
is
to
just like.
JavaScript. Well, okay,
I
fine.
mean,
You
it's
can
much
compare Rust
like
to
that.
JavaScript. They're kind of similar,
I mean,
but
not. I'm not comparing the whole thing. I'm just comparing how it basically builds the project, right? It's
well,
a
yeah,
way
cargo
more
is actually
simple.
kind of similar to npm as a build system.
Uh-huh. Yes, yeah, that's what I'm
Devini
saying.
is always here.
I'm not comparing this language.
Anyway, so you actually have read the Rust book before, right?
Yeah, I did. I basically I've seen a 6 hour long video. It's like
Well, yeah,
it's kind of like C++.
same. I suggest you try in memory. Yeah, in memory usage for sure. So yeah, I suggest you try making a project instead of reading book again, because reading books is boring.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, for stream
What kind of
content.
project?
That's
Okay,
what I
I'm gonna
was
this.
going to ask you. If you have anything you wanted to try. We've counted garbage collector. Oh my god,
Mm,
that's
let's
garbage.
create uh let's create a server who's gonna respond when it's an request, right?
You want an
Can you
HTTP
do it more?
server?
Yeah, just a simple like when we basically send a request to this root, it's gonna respond with some hello world, hello
Uh,
please stream
HTTP
something
server
like
is
that.
actually the last project in the Rust book.
Uh huh.
Uh,
I think it's not that tough. I mean,
Final project building a multi-threaded web server, a single-threaded web server. I mean, I why I'm here is I want you to try. Yeah, sounds garbage. So, yeah, I want you to not only try actually using Rust. I want you to feel everything you do with Rust. I want you to feel the libraries, to try using libraries, try using Cargo as a build system, and similar.
you just
I
wanna
said
make me a Rust guy.
I said well actually, I mean, you need to try to build an actual project with Rust, not touching async please today. um,
All right.
Actually building a web server with a command line interface could be something. I want
I
you to
want
feel
you
the
to
real
feel a real pain
programming.
of programming. I don't
Yeah.
think there's any pain in programming. It looks fun.
This looks fun. That's what we all say.
Yeah,
So,
it's fun. Just sit it. I know, I
any
know. If you said you feel the pain, yeah, we can definitely feel the back
CLI
pain and the
pain.
head pains and the neck pains, right? You're talking about those kind of pains or some kind of mental pains, but physical pains are sure, for sure. I feel that all that, but mental pains rarely.
CLI framework. Uh, don't know how to form. You have an idea?
Yeah,
I'm scared.
kind of idea.
See, like table. You mean like TUI? Draw a table like I don't even know. JSON parser.
Yeah,
Uh,
parsers. Nigel's like parsers. Nigel
parsers.
like
I
parsers.
mean, parsers. Not really. I want him to try using a library, like Collab for command for CLI arguments. Which is I
Okay.
think a good one of the good ones.
My dot approach is
706 lines with comments.
should we make a girlfriend
Cross
finder?
term for TUIs. I mean, maybe. Actually, we could try doing a Git client. Well, that's probably too much work.
Wait a sec. Let me turn off. Let me shut the door. Let me shut the door.
Uh, Q. Oh my god.
I'm back.
I mean,
I know my setup is very poor, guys. I mean, yeah, what can I do? As you can see, I don't have a graphic card. If you want to send me one, you're free to do so. Okay,
what could be a good starting project?
what should we do, man? I have an interesting idea.
Yeah.
A girlfriend finder.
Oh, what?
A girlfriend finder.
Oh, what?
Girlfriend finder application.
Finder of what? Sorry.
Did you guys hear that? A girlfriend finder application. Can you hear it?
I
So
don't.
I'm gonna.
Didn't.
All right. Nigel is a smart guy.
Yeah, just try. Just type it. I'll see.
All right.
My
What kind
god.
of project should we
Makes
do?
sense.
Do you have any idea, guys? Any idea? That's a small idea to start with. To its viewers. I also provide
Paste bin.
this one. What is that?
Paste bin something. Type def. Oh wow. What's it? Dart. Okay. I guess. I mean, that's probably dealing with async, so no. I don't know.
I think
Yeah,
if
let's
we,
start
if we
CLI.
make this app, it's gonna take too much resources. Maybe we can if the guy is too single, maybe the server gonna blow up.
I suggest doing a CLI utility. Probably not tables. Don't need necessary. We could do like a fuzzy finder, for example. Cuboy life. Wow. What's plus
Because
one?
you find
You know FZF.
what?
Let me actually. Can I share my screen instead? Allow
You can share screen.
screens, laptop. Here, can you see it? Oh, it's buffering. Yeah, I guess it's gonna be buffering forever.
Can't see me.
Yeah, I guess it's not a good idea. It's not gonna load. Come on, look. Okay, can you look at my screen, at my stream?
Or
Wait.
I'll try.
No, that's not the point. So, Fuzzy Finder. If we go to like, I don't know, the Chatry project. This is a Godot project. So a Fuzzy Finder is this thing right here. I can type the name of a file, for example, license, and it's gonna find all the files that are named license. I think that's pretty good.
I can see your screen now.
Yes, yeah, Fuzzy Finder. I should actually be careful with that. Thankfully, it doesn't show the secrets. Let me go to a directory. Actually, channel should be. Yeah, go to GitHub, for example. Okay, so I have this Git repository here. Yeah, a Fuzzy Finder does. You can type. I can type like background banner, back banner, and it's gonna find the stuff. So it just finds stuff basically. A B C D E F, and it's pretty dynamic. If that's FZF, it's actually built with Rust. I don't know how to exit or escape. So also if we click on README, for example, it's gonna print this file name to the standard output. We can try doing that.
All right. What's
Yeah,
the name of the
isn't it?
project? Fuzzy Finder.
Yeah, you can call it whatever. FZF.
Garbage Finder.
Why garbage? Why is garbage? Oh, it's in Go, actually. I mean, we'll rewrite it in Rust. Go is also a good language, by the way.
Every languages are like seem same. The structure are mostly the same.
Well, actually,
So,
languages are
what kind
different.
of project? I mean, no, that's not my point. Is a
Go is
language
not a
object
why.
oriented?
Well, actually, I didn't do much Go, but I don't think it's bad. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice.
Nowadays, I'm like using Kotlin and C++ a lot.
Kotlin. I I learned Java, and since then I never wanted to touch Kotlin just because I know Java. And I want to have something, some apps to maintain in Java. That's why I'm not touching Kotlin. But I mean, I guess it's also good. Anyway, create a new project, call it like, I don't know, FZF, Fuzzy. You can call it Fuzz,
Okay, let
actually.
me shut the door, please. Wait 5 seconds.
Yes, that's something that can make a language bad.
I'm here.
Oh, there's so much latency between the stream and
What's
you.
race game? You know the guy. What you guys are thinking? Like basically thinking, Jax, you suck, right? Isn't it? So what about the Fuzzy Finder? Let's name it Fuzzy.
Let me actually see if this on on minimal buffering settings or is better. Postfix expression parser. It was okay. Yeah, that's pretty latent.
There are like two languages I like the most. This one is C, and the another one is C++.
I like
And
C and Rust.
okay. Why you hate C++?
Yes. I don't hate C++. I actually used C++ for like 4 years before I switched to Rust, and I'm still using it by this day. It's just somewhere. I guess it's lower than Rust in my eyes, maybe because I used Rust so much. Now I'm in the Rust gang.
Rust
Anyway,
game.
yeah. Anyway, name the project something. We're not gonna start this way. Name it Fuzz.
Fuzzy Finder.
Fuzzy Finder,
Alright.
just Fuzz. I suggest just Fuzz or
Fuzz.
Fuzzy.
Alright. Let's see the fuzz.
I mean, family friendliness. Yeah. Okay, so you can hello world. What?
Alright. someone reading Nigel's chat. I only like Rust. If I like any other language, it would be Shiny. Wow. Right. So now we're gonna focus on it basically. We're talking a lot, and if you start talking a lot, maybe we'll never do anything, right? So I hate wasting time, guys. So that's
Wow,
why I don't
Firefox froze.
sleep basically. Sleep is a waste of time for me at least.
Oh wait, it says Brave actually. Brave died. Oh no. Brave died. Wow.
Oh, sorry. Cargo. Should I run this program? Cargo run.
Yeah, cargo run. You know
Okay.
what to do.
Hello world, guys.
Not so brave.
So
Wow, my
our
system is really
podcast
dying.
program is saying hello to the whole world, guys.
My system is really dying.
What the next step should we take?
Wow. Fine now.
Okay, what's the next step should I take? Finish this project.
I need to start it first. So yeah, let's keep command line for now. So if we actually take a look at FZF, wait, FZF, first thing you see is AUI, but so we start with core. Yeah, zoom in. By the way, that could be helpful for people who are watching on small screens or phones, or just not in the best quality because internet connection.
So we have to adjust some settings, basically. Like basically mouse scroll zoom. I mean, sorry. All right. Is it okay for Nigel?
Left.
Okay?
Yeah, I can do this. I do session
So
mode.
why take it now?
I can actually do full screen.
You can take a nap, Davninia.
So Jax, I guess first thing you should do is do the core work, the core stuff. And why didn't I do full screen before? I need access to web. So you start in the current directory. We'll need to go through each file. I guess.
This directory. In the first directory, right?
I mean, wherever the Finder is launched. I'm able to sleep with some light on. Rust has... Yeah, Rust actually has recursive... well, not recursive, Rust has a regular walk directory. You could use a library, you could just walk it.
Okay, can you show us many libraries? I'm guys new to Rust, but not completely new. I tried Rust before, 1 month ago, but now I'm revisiting it for Dima. He wanna like basically he wanna put me in a Rust gang,
Let me... https docs.rs. That's a useful website. You're gonna be using it today a lot, hopefully. Oh, you can see my ads. Ad messages, wow.
Okay. What is it? A repository?
Docs.rs is documentation. So let's start with... Okay, so Jax, you need to go through each file in a directory. Search for it, how to do it on Google with Rust.
How to traverse all files in a directory?
Yeah, in Rust. Start with a literal Google search. No, don't use ChatGPT. Google it.
Well, I mean, it's a good thing. I'm not gonna use this code, but I'm gonna use
Uh,
it.
yeah, actually, sure. Yeah, there is doc.rustlang.org, which is where we could search for stuff. I normally search Google with Google and find this website. I can leave it here. Learn Rust. Why is it Learn Rust? Oh, it's docs. Hold on,
Whatever is
isn't it?
filed in a directory in Rust, you can use stdfs. Isn't it the
Uh,
same thing like a file system in C++20?
it's not the same, but it's similar, kind of similar.
It's like std path is the same thing that C++ when a library has.
It's not the same. It's similar. Let me look at where are the docs? Standard library. Yeah, here. Oh, it is doc. Hold on. Slash std. That's what. Yeah, that's how. No.
Whatever is filed in a directory in Rust, you can access the fs module. A system module which provides a function to read directories and
Here.
access file metadata. You're gonna do this step by step,
Uh,
right? Directories in a
GPT.
directory, right? And
List files.
the files, the result. Result, return a
It's not-
result.
That's the best approach to any links. You can actually run find and it's gonna list all the files. Yeah. Anyway, Jax, open the Visual Studio Code or whatever you're using.
All right.
Oh, that's so latent. Okay, so now, you'll need to do it recursively. So write a recursive function, I guess. Well, actually, do we watch for? Yeah, let's keep it simple.
FN, right?
It's not fun. It's fn. Uh. Okay, first of all, you're gonna get a warning. You are gonna get a warning on this, if not an error. Do you see a warning? Do you get a warning?
Where? Yeah.
On the function name.
No.
Huh.
No.
Do you have Rust Analyzer installed as an extension?
Yeah. So,
Show your extensions. Oh, it's dead, huh? Okay, actually, press Ctrl K and Ctrl O, and open the directory the project is in. So not the parent directory, exactly the directory where project is in. So you can see your src directory, or else Rust Analyzer is probably not gonna work. Yeah, like that. Now you can open your sources, and it should show you the warning. Because Rust is pretty pedantic.
Snake. Ah, hell no.
No, it's you have to do snake case in Rust. That's the convention. You just need to get used to it. You can actually automatically rewrite it. See, recursive file search, what does it take? It actually should take a path where to search and return a list, or in this case a vector of files.
Function recursive is never used. Okay, okay. It's not like convention warning, but let's import a module. What do we do to import it? Oh, you directly use something. All right. Use
True.
some libraries.
No, don't do that. You don't use stuff.
What should I do?
I mean, yeah. You don't use stuff. Well, you do use stuff, but only when you use it multiple times. use it like import, you don't have to use it. Well, actually, path. For the path, you might need it. So don't look at ChatGPT window. Do it yourself. Um,
Alright, what's gonna need that directory, a string?
it's not a string, it is a path.
Directly like that, std path, like that,
Okay, we'll wait for the.
like that.
Okay, so you need to give argument a name, and that's not how you do it in Rust. I can already see it. It's not like C++. You
Like
have
this?
type hints here. First of all, remember
The-
snake
the-
case. Second of
Alright.
all, you put the name before the type, and then you put a colon between them.
It's like Kotlin. Alright, okay.
Type hints are popular in new languages.
So everything should be snake case, even the
Yeah, everything. Every name should be a snake case. Types should be Pascal case, and crates can be kebab case actually, which is with a dash. You don't put a space before colon, by the way.
What? I wonder return anything. It's just
No, you put a space after the colon, but not before it, like you do in English normally. It will format it by itself. We'll worry about formatting later. Well, actually,
is it
do you have
gonna
format
take,
on save?
like a ref?
Yeah, it should take a reference. That's one thing. So you put
Yeah,
a
that's
reference
what I'm thinking.
before it, before the type. Do you have out of format on save enabled?
What enabled?
Format on save.
Format on save. I mean, not. I mean, I'm not sure.
I don't think you have because it didn't format yet. You don't have to set it. Do you remember the keybind to format it?
No, I'm not. I don't have an idea what you're saying.
I have it remapped to Control T. You can actually press F1 to show
Oh,
the
do you have
command
like
palette.
key maps? Are you talking about key maps?
Click into the code. Yeah, search in VS Code command palette. So you press F1, it shows the command palette, and you type format document. Wow, Summit needs.
It's never used, right?
So it is
Never is
Shift
used.
Alt F. You do Shift Alt F to format. I saw on your stream. Now, as you can see, it formatted. Rust's formatter is pretty strict. It doesn't leave anything. It just formats everything. You can instruct it to skip, but we're not gonna do that probably today. Anyway, so
So
this
like
function.
some of the parts in Rust is some of the part in Rust like Kotlin, like this thing. This thing is also similar in Kotlin.
I mean, I don't know Kotlin. I guess type hints are they're just in all new languages.
Should they return in recursive function something? Like
Uh,
in stated
it should
file read successful.
it should return a vector of path. Or actually, well, yeah, for simplicity, we're not gonna return iterators today.
Alright.
So yeah, you're gonna write a vector of std path, but oh. Yeah, you don't need to specify to the recursive function. It's not a std vector.
Oh.
It's not C++. Yeah, functions
What is
can all be
that?
recursive. I mean,
What should
specify
I
it.
do?
So first of all, remove this line. Let's go slowly. Specify return type. So after the function, you do arrow.
Like this? Like this?
Yeah, like this. No, I'm not gonna explain use. So you do vector. A vector in Rust is vec with capital V.
This.
Nigel, you look at them on all my streams. What do you mean? So yeah, this is vector, and then you do pass. Actually, not pass, but pass buff.
Path buff. Path
Да,
buffer.
yeah. Pass buffer. Pass buff. So std
Is it
colon pass colon pass buff.
is it part of standard library?
It is part of standard library.
Path buffer.
So the difference between pass and pass buff. You know about string
Where it
views
is?
in C++.
Yeah. Where is
So
it?
pass is like a string. Wait, no. Pass buff is like a string. Borrowed pass is like a string view. Same thing with string with capital S is like a string. Borrowed str, so reference sign str, is like a string view in Rust. Anyway, so it's
I
std
mean,
colon pass buff. Like you have pass and the std pass namespace, or actually what we call it in Rust modules, and pass buff.
it's only paths.
Hi, just Covino. Collabing on Twitch is
Oh,
hard.
we messed up
Uh,
basically.
you
I
don't.
can
You
see
need
it. I can.
pass buff is. Well, actually, it should suggest you. So you
What?
can. I think you can press either I think Alt10. No, it's not Alt10. No, don't import it. Tell you about what. Oh, Hive dev. Yeah, Rust. Collabing is hard.
Path buff and let the
Uh,
suggestion something imported.
Let me write it.
What is like that? Is it like Java or Kotlin something like that? It's gonna import automatically stuff. So should we
It can
import
import
Dima
stuff
something to
automatically.
it?
Yeah.
Path buff.
So
All right.
this is the name of a thing.
How do you import automatically?
So look, if you okay, let's just for education try it. If you replace the whole string std colon pass buff
Mm-hmm.
with just pass buff,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, LSP is pretty nice in Rust. Wait for the stream to load. So here you can
Why is
see
so slow?
quick fix. You can do control dot if you have a cursor there, and it's gonna show you quick fixes, or you can just quick fix, and it's gonna suggest you import.
Quick fix. It's gonna quick fixing it. So import. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, uh, import std pass, and you have use here. So you can either write std colon pass buff, or you can use std colon pass buff and use it. Or you can also do use std colon pass and do pass colon pass buff everywhere.
But
For
why
example,
this is still like showing this is an error? Expect extract vector. I found on something.
yeah, found unit type. Unit type is nothing. It's like void in C or C++.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you need to actually return something in from the function in order for it to not complain, because right now you're not returning anything.
I think there's no kind of thing like to return, but something like return like that, right?
You can actually do just return, but in Rust the convention is to not write returns if it's at the end of the function.
Yeah. I basically I read the book and like it said like basically when you return something like string, you have to return like that. It happens like that, right?
Wait for the stream. Yeah, you can do that. You can
Mm-hmm.
write return, or if it's the last return at the function, um,
Mm-hmm.
you can just put a string there. So uh, Rust, the function is a oh wow, alternate player go away. The function is a block in parentheses, well, curly braces,
Mm-hmm.
and you can write return if it's the last thing in the function. You can write just x without a semicolon. You probably know that.
Yeah.
How can I? Go back to a regular player.
What should I do now? Let result and
Uh,
return this back path. Result.
Create a variable that's gonna store the path.
Alright. Should I make it mutable?
Yes, you
I've
should
got
make
this
it mutable. Let's
So let me
not
make it
worry
mutable.
about iterators right now.
I think I created this one. Tab 9 that also did lots of the stuff for me.
Yeah, you don't have to do :vec of pass_buff. It's gonna automatically infer the type. And the convention is to not write it, so like auto in C actually. There's no auto in C, I think. So you can remove vec of pass_buff here with a colon after a colon.
So like automatic memory management.
No, memory management is all manual. Well, there are destructors, like in C++. There are borrowing rules, obviously. So there is automatic type inference. So when you do let mute result equals vector : new, it's gonna infer that result is a vector. It's not gonna infer which vector though, so it's gonna throw an error, unless we return it. Write result. Just this word at the end of the function to return it.
Yeah. Is it gonna show us error if we write return like that?
No, it's not. It's gonna warning. It's gonna do a warning.
But it's like it looks clean to me. Like it's basically described what it's doing.
Yeah, you're not used to it. It's actually gonna suggest a quick fix to remove the return.
I mean, why it's like that? Can we? Okay. So return a new and return the result. It's fine. You can keep it. The return.
Rust is
I'm
gonna
used to
complain
it
about
basically.
it.
Yeah?
Rust is gonna show a
And
warning
why?
about it.
Yeah. Basically, we are returning a path buffer, and I return this path buffer.
No, you're returning a vector of pass buffers actually.
Yeah,
Are expected.
basically.
Oh wait, you have an arrow with an equal sign. It should be a dash. In return type.
Oh, sorry. I actually missed
Don't
it.
worry, Nigel. Compiler is gonna teach him. Okay, now there are no errors.
Okay.
You can actually compile
sorry,
this code, but it's not gonna do anything useful. So now we'll need to fill this vector up. Do for each. So just in between those two lines, you do for. You don't need parentheses after the for. That's something in Rust. Turns out it's not an error. You don't have to put a semicolon. Well, actually, yeah, you do need to put a semicolon because it's a unit.
It's okay. We're doing a for loop right now.
Yeah, we're doing a for loop, but without parentheses. You don't need parentheses. Tabnet's already suggesting something.
What? So we need a root path, right?
For pass, for example, in
I mean paths in this one root path. Root.
No, you can't do that. You can't just.
Oh, Rust is like. Okay. What is saying? If the intentional prefix is an underscore.
Don't worry about it. It's the variable is unused. Don't prefix an underscore. Don't worry about the warnings until you compile, by the way. At least for now. So you can't just for pass in root dir pass. Root dir pass is a pass. You need to iterate through each file in a directory. To do that, you use, I think, what is called